Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig as a tooth fairy. First, let's draw Peppa Pig's eyes, her nose, and the shape of her head. I draw a smiling mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her body, her arms and her legs. Let's draw wings onto her back. She is holding a magic wand in her hand. I draw a crown on the top of her head. Her curly tail. Now, some stars. Let's start coloring. I color her skin pink. Light purple for her cheek. Red for her dress. Blue for wings. Red, orange, red, yellow, great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.